Hello, I'm Joe Marin of Printing Industries of America, and today's video tip is coming directly from my desktop. And what we're going to talk about today are PDF files that have been created from Microsoft applications such as Office or Publisher. And we know that very often PDF files created from these applications are entirely in the RGB color space, and that's what I have in this example here today. So what we're going to do is go ahead and open up the Output Preview tool, and we're going to take a look at all of the elements on this page that are in the RGB color space. So under the Show menu, I'm going to select Show Me Everything that is RGB. And we see that nothing has disappeared here, and that everything is indeed in the RGB color space. Now the second thing that we're going to look at is that the text on this page is RGB black text. And you'll see when I turn off the black separation, we can see that we have 4 color black text. If we were to output this as is, all the black text would come out on all 4 plates. So not a good thing. So we have a lot of problems with this document, but luckily we have a tool in Acrobat Professional, which is this tool right here. It's called the Convert Colors tool, which will allow us to fix this document. So let's go ahead and open up the Convert Colors tool. There's a lot of things happening in this dialog box, but there's really only a few things that we need to be concerned with for this particular problem. So first is conversion attributes right here. We want to make sure that we're converting to profile, and we're going to choose a profile that is most appropriate for how this job is going to be output. So if it's going to be output on a sheet fed press coated paper, we might choose US sheet fed coated. There's US sheet fed uncoated, and so forth. So for our example, I'm going to go ahead and choose US sheet fed coated. Now the second thing that we need to be concerned with is this Convert Options section here. We want to make sure that we select Preserve Black and Promote Gray to CMYK Black. What Preserve Black does is it converts that RGB black to black only in this PDF file. And this Promote Gray to CMYK Black will convert RGB gray to black only. So 2 very important options to select. So we'll go ahead and process this document. I'm going to get a warning that this operation can't be undone. We'll go ahead and click through that and process the document. Alright, now we'll bring back the Output Preview tool, and I'll go back to my Show menu, and I'm going to ask the Output Preview tool to show me everything that's in the RGB color space, and we see that nothing is in the RGB color space, that everything is now in the CMYK color space. And let's go ahead and check our RGB black text. Let's see if it's black only. We turn off the black separation, and we see that yes, the black text is black only now, and this document is ready to be output. So I hope you found this tip to be useful and informative. Until next time, I'm Joe Marin.